Okay, to install VMware 16, I first had to use this command to remove the old version, VMware-installer-u-VMware-player. Then next, go to vmware.com/products/workstation-player.html and click the download for free button. Then click Go to Downloads. Scroll down until you see Workstation Player for Linux 64-bit. Click Download Now. Then select the folder you want to download it to, and then click Save. Okay, now copy the entire saved name. Then go to your terminal and type cd and then the name of your directory. Then type sudo sh and the name of the file that you copied. Okay, when that's done, you can close these windows, go to your menu, search for VMware Player, and click the icon. On the license agreement, click I accept, then next, I accept, and next, yes, and next, yes, and next. Click Use VMware Player for free, and then click Finish. Then enter your password. When it comes up, click OK. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.